Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel. So I just got this package from High Note Performance after after 15 days. Yes, so that's what it is. Let's open it. Very good packing by High Note. Better than the jacket they packed it last time. It was all torn up. So I asked them to do a proper packing this time. It's pretty good. Whoa. Oh, look at that. TCX. Yes. Really well. Back to really well. So anyways, and I know I have been late with the video. Not being able to upload these days because you know guys, Corona and all that, you have to edit a lot. So I've started. I want to start with the vlogging again, so I've decided that, and then maybe 2 videos a week for starting. Let's see. I'm not sure. I cannot promise you anything, but right now, but still. So this is SP Master Boots Black, 41 size. You can eat. So let me show you guys how it looks like. Look at that. Woo! Look at this baby. Whoa. Nice. Pretty good. Both looks pretty good. Let's keep this aside out here. What else? What else do we have inside? Oh, TCX logo with the certificate, user manual, certificate. That's about it. So these are the boots. Pretty good boots, huh? I've been using TCX short boots for about 3 years now, so these are pretty good for durability and of course as comfort as well. I chose this boot because it's a mix of touring and a sports boot, so it's not that hard on this part of the boot, so you can walk around. I know it's not comfortable, but it's not that uncomfortable that you can't walk around, you know. So this type of boots are even safer, you know, while you are riding your bike, and if a stone or a pebble like hits your shin part, so it's gonna save you from a bad injury. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel. This is, I think, my first unboxing video, and unboxing video / riding boots video. Okay, anyways, see you guys in the next one. Bye.